Welcome to my new LinkedIn Live. My name is Joe Apfelbaum. This is episode number 105. That means I went on LinkedIn Live over 100 times this year. And I'm excited about what I'm going to be showing you. This is called a mind map. And today we're going to be talking about LinkedIn topic ideas. So these are all the different ideas in my mind map. And if you want a copy of this, just type in mind map in the comments of this video. So I'm going to be sharing with you what all these different things are, and we're going to be building them out even further to identify new opportunities for content. So quick briefing, I have a boot camp that teaches you Sales Navigator. It's a 6-hour replay of the Sales Navigator boot camp. I have a LinkedIn Authority Blueprint. If you need a LinkedIn strategy, we sit down with you and we create a comprehensive LinkedIn strategy over 2 weeks. We have a LinkedIn AI assistant called Evie AI. We have LinkedIn courses, including our 6-hour accelerator course that includes a 9-module course with tons of frameworks, checklists, cheat sheets, scripts, and much, much more. And this should be like that. I shouldn't be blocking this. But anyway, then we have lots of other stuff going on over here. So let's break this down. Oh, and then we also have our LinkedIn AI automation community where we teach you LinkedIn automation and AI automation. So let's get into all these different things that we're doing here and show you how to come across. But before we do that, I want to show you 2 other websites for ideas. And if you like ideas, write ideas in the comments. Let's go into my own post. Let's just see if this is actually working here. Yep, it looks like it's working. Let's see if anybody's actually live watching this right now. If you guys are live, give this a like. I'm going to give myself a like over here. And I'm also going to leave a comment, and I'm going to say, I love ideas. Do you like ideas? And I'm going to press comment just like this. And hopefully you are watching this right now with me live as I'm doing it. If not, hopefully you're watching the replay. And if you do watch the replay, definitely write replay in the chat so that I know that you watched the replay of this original video. Now, one of the things that I do when I'm creating video content is I have my video guy then later go through this, and he takes out the best clips. So I like to create hooks along the video so he can get it. This is how you can create an unlimited amount of ideas using a mind map. My name is Joe Apfelbaum, and today I'm going to show you this incredible LinkedIn mind map that talks about engaging, LinkedIn messaging, LinkedIn strategy, LinkedIn posting, your LinkedIn profile, your LinkedIn newsletter, articles, dashboard, a whole recommendation strategy, LinkedIn automation, LinkedIn Live, LinkedIn credibility, LinkedIn search, services, connection strategy, advertising, LinkedIn courses, company pages, the connection dashboard, an entire sales navigator strategy here, which includes in-mail, automation, prospecting, lists, strategy, alerts, and so much more. And so if you want to be able to get this mind map, just click on mind map, type in mind map in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to send you this entire mind map as my gift to you. My name is Joe Apfelbaum. I'm the CEO of Ajax Union, a business-to-business digital marketing agency. We create marketing strategies for people. I'm also the founder of Evergreen. It's a course creation company that has tons of courses and educational content. And I started a company this year called Evie AI. We have 13,000 people from 35 countries around the world that are using this incredible assistant for LinkedIn. It's an AI assistant that generates comments, posts, and much more for you on LinkedIn. We have a web app and we have a Google Chrome extension. And on the web app, you can easily see who you are saved as a profile here. And then you can click a few buttons and see all their recent posts and leave comments on their profile, which will help you be able to stay top of mind with those people with just a couple of clicks of a button. This is a phenomenal way for you to build relationships with people, get to know them, and be able to grow your business. If you're not doing this right now, you're majorly missing out. So I highly recommend you consider using the tools that are available to help you stay top of mind, whether it's generating ideas, writing posts, leaving comments, using templates, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, or even joining our community. We have a great community called the AI for LinkedIn community. Once you sign into Evie AI, you click on community, and then you can go right into the community. We also have a demonstration video, and we have a Google Chrome extension where we have thousands of people using this right now. And we have people saying really nice things about our extension here. People are loving it. We have dozens and dozens and dozens of 5-star reviews. So thank you so much for watching this. Let's get into idea generation. So a mind map is your ability to be able to get all your thoughts out of your head. Okay, you see I'm getting all my thoughts out of my head in this mind map. And if I'm going to zoom out, you're going to see I have this LinkedIn mind map over here with all these different branches that come out of the mind map. The main part of the mind map is called LinkedIn networking, marketing, and prospecting. And then off that, you're able to create a variety of other things over here. So if I want to click templates over here, I can pick many different types of templates. I can click a mind map template. I can click a customer journey template, a concept map template. So if I want to create a concept map, I'm going to say use template to structure an idea, and it'll break down a concept map over here. So what's the first concept I want to talk about? Let's talk about LinkedIn automation. So we're going to talk about LinkedIn automation. I'm going to select the text here. I'm going to change the color of the text, make it white. So this is that. So off LinkedIn automation, what type of LinkedIn automation are you going to use? So we can use posting automation. I'm going to go here, posting automation. We can do outreach. Okay, so these are the two automations. I want to delete this thing that says verb here. Okay, so this is LinkedIn automation, posting automation, and outreach automation. So when it comes to thinking about ideas, you can visualize the ideas that you have, and this will allow you to be able to do a variety of things by adding different visuals here and typing up different ways to be able to do this. So and then, I also want enriching automation. So this is outreach automation. I'm going to want another one here. So let's see how I can create another end line. I'm not really sure how to even use this thing here. Let's see. These are all locked up. That means that they want money to be able to use these. That's ridiculous. Do they have any free shapes? Callouts. AWS. I'm going to close that. UML. Azure. Salesforce. Deal flow. Data flow. Google Cloud. Let's see. To use all these little icons, they want you to pay. Cisco, ERD, Kunabytes, manage shapes. Oh, look at all these different shapes that they have here that you can manage. Google Cloud. Oh, connectors. That's cool. You have all these connectors. So these are locked. You got the basic shapes. You got the workflow, the flowchart shapes. You got the connector shapes and the callout shapes. And explains to you what each one of these do. This helps me. Oh, look at this. They have a Venn diagram. Let me see if I can add a Venn diagram. Use template. Oh, look at this. You can make a Venn diagram. All right, well, let's look at A. A would be posting. B would be engaging. And C would be messaging. Okay. So let's see, posting, engaging, and messaging. So what is the connection between posting and engaging? The connection between posting and messaging, and the connection between engaging and messaging. So when you post, you want engagement and you want messages. So I would say, let's see, over here would be call to action or CTA. Over here, I'm going to think this through a little bit more before I kind of go through this. So the crux is ROI. Okay. All right, so what am I thinking about here? I'm thinking about different ways to be able to visualize my ideas, whether it's a mind map like this, whether it's some type of idea diagram here, breaking it down, or I have other ones that I did on other charts where I have a brain writing AI, where I have all the different services of the things that I'm doing related to AI, And then I'm going to be building out more stuff related to my community. So what you really want to do here when you're doing this is you want to pull everything out of your head. So for example, I had an idea for a JSON brainstorming analysis automation. And what I did was I first said, okay, I'm going to first plan the automation. Then I'm going to create code using Claude. Then I'm going to test the code using Replit. Then I'm going to create a mega prompt with the AI. Then I'm going to create a landing page on unlimiteddigitalmarketing.com. Then I'm going to use make.com to create a webhook, use OpenAI with an LLM on make.com. And then I'm going to send the webhook response to the landing page. And then I'm going to export, email, copy, whatever, and then promote the whole information over there. So that's me creating that. So I'm building out a Quora questions AI automation. So number one is check Quora for specific keywords. Then the next step would be is send questions to ChatGPT or to OpenAI to LLM. Okay, so we can send it to multiple LLMs. And then the next step is send email. Send email with answers. Now, I might want to also put them in a spreadsheet first before I send them in an email so I can analyze them later, right? So now I'm going to go here, and I just thought of that, Control-C, Control-V, and I'm going to say send questions and answers. Send questions and answers to spreadsheet. Okay, so it's sending the questions and the answers to the spreadsheet. It's sending an email, and then after that, it's going to send an email. Look at that. And I can connect these with a little connector. So when I click here, I can go like that. And then I can click here, I can go like that. When I click here, I can go like that. So now you see I'm building out a little automation over here. You see? It checks Quora for a specific keyword daily, sends it to an LLM, which is OpenAI. I'm going to go grab the OpenAI logo from here, Control-C, Control-V, bring it right here, sending it to OpenAI. From OpenAI, it's going to send it to a spreadsheet, which is a Google Sheets. So I'm going to find a Google Sheets logo, Google Sheets logo, images. I have a little Google Sheets here, copy, link to image, copy image. I'm going to go back here, paste this right here, just like this. Just make it a little smaller. Put this like this. I guess I'll put it like this next to it, nice and cute. And then send answers to email. So we're going to do the Gmail logo. Gmail logo. Okay. We're going to use, is this the new one? I think this is the new one. Copy image. Paste this right here. This helps me visualize what I want to create. And then I can go off and create it. Or at least I can present about it. Now, what else would I want to do with this? Well, I would want to then create a blog post with the questions or create topic ideas. So besides having it over here, after that, I can also start a new automation that analyzes these questions and creates other questions, other answers, other blog posts as a result of this automation here. So I can move this here like this. You see? I move this here. And now what I can do is I can add Control-C, Control-V. I can add something here. It connects to this. Like this. You see that? And I can say, get questions to create post topic ideas. Get questions to create post topic ideas. And I can create complete blog posts out of this because I'm pulling it all from Quora. Now I can also pull from Reddit. And I can create a whole separate automation from Reddit. I can pull from Google Trends and Google Answers. I can pull from Socrates. Have you heard of Socrates? Check this out. So for example, I'm going to type in LinkedIn, just like this. Hello, my dear. You ready for me to pick you up in 10 minutes? it's connecting still. Let me call her back. Give me a second, everybody.
Welcome
Let me
to
call her
another
back.
edition
Let me
of
call her
LinkedIn
back.
Live. This
Hey, do you want me to pick you up in 10 minutes? All right, I'm going to end my live and come get you. Love you. Bye. All right, I got to pick up my daughter, so I'm going to have to end this live.
number
But you get the idea.
100
The
and
idea is
something.
come up
I think it's
with
104
a
or
visual
105
representation
or something, but I'm
of
past the 100
what
mark,
you're doing in
which
your
makes me
business.
very happy.
Whether
The reason why I'm happy that I'm
you're
past the 100
coming up
mark
with
is because I
topics,
set a goal to go
or
live
let's say
on
LinkedIn or
LinkedIn
whatever it is.
244
I'm curious to know,
times
what
this
is your
year.
topic?
That's
Like,
a
what's
lot of
the thing
LinkedIn.
that you what's the
That's a
thing that
lot
you
of
want to write
LinkedIn
about?
Live.
And what I'll
People
do
have
is
been asking me,
I'll
Joe, can you
I'll
show me
share
best
my 5
practices?
topics
Could you
now,
show me how to leverage the
and then I'll go pick up my
platform?
daughter.
Can you teach
Let's
me
see if
what
I
I
can
need to
pull
know in
another
order to
mind
be more
map in the mind
successful with
map.
LinkedIn? And I say,
Let me see if I
yes,
can pull another mind
100%.
map
I can
over
teach
here.
you
So
what
I'm
to
going
do
to go
on
here to the
LinkedIn. I can teach
side.
you how to network. I
I'm going
can
to
teach you
give
how
me
to
a
build
template,
relationships. I can teach
flow
you all the
chart,
things that you need to
and then
know
I'll
in
throw
order for you to
another
be
mind
successful
map.
on
Use a
LinkedIn.
template.
The first step
Okay,
is I
good.
want you to have an assistant for
So
LinkedIn.
this is going to
What is an
be
assistant
Joe
for
Apfelbaum
LinkedIn? It's a
brand.
sidekick, someone to help you be able to leave comments,
Okay,
to be
so
able
this
to
is my
write
brand.
posts, to be
And
able
then
to
this
send
is going to be digital
messages, to be able to
marketing.
save profiles into lists. And the reason
This
why
is
you
going to
want this is
be
because if you
business
don't have an
networking.
assistant, well, then you are an assistant. And so why
This
not
is going
have
to
a
be
artificial intelligence assistant for
sales
LinkedIn that
prospecting.
can support you with your daily activities? Most people are
This is
spraying
going
and
to
praying. They
be
don't actually have a strategy. And with this assistant, you will have a solid strategy for
AI
LinkedIn.
technology.
Heavy AI will help you create more engaging and optimized content. It'll
With both
optimize your
AI and
profile and
tech.
it'll boost your credibility on this platform. So I'm going to show you today how I go through the different
Or just
activities that I need to
technology.
do. But first, I want to tell you
Just
about
do
my
technology.
community. I have a community called the Evi AI for LinkedIn community. It's completely
And then we're
free.
going to do
You
personal
can
development.
join. When you register to Evi AI, let's
I
see,
like
we're
having
going to
2
log
words.
in right now. You see, you log in once you register. On the left
Digital
side, there's a
technology,
button
we
that
do
says
digital.
community. So go ahead and click that button, and that'll take you right
Digital
into our
technology.
community. If you want to see a
So we have
demonstration video
sales
of Evi AI, just click
prospecting,
on demo.
digital
You can
technology,
watch a demo. If you want our
personal
learning hub, if
development,
you have Evi AI
digital
Premium, we
marketing,
have courses and we have
and then
resources
business
available for you
networking.
to learn how to leverage
And
LinkedIn.
what I'll do is I'll go
Now,
ahead and build
one of the
this out even
activities that I
more, but
like
you can
doing every
see
day
the
on
basics
LinkedIn
of
is
what it
making
looks
sure
like
that I
here.
am
I can zoom
properly
in so you can
commenting
see
on
what I'm
people's
doing here.
posts on LinkedIn.
And with each one of
Well, I
these, I'm
have
going
a
to pick 5
list of
topics as well.
people in different organizations that are part of different organizations where I click on see recent activity and it just loads all their
I'm not
recent
sold on
posts.
that one.
And if I see that they posted
You get the
recently,
idea.
I leave a
So
comment.
what you do is you
If
add
they haven't
more
posted
personal
recently, I
development.
move on to the next person.
Health.
And so I like to load their
It'll
posts because when
be
I load their
emotional.
posts, they get notified
It'll
that I looked at their
be
posts. So in this case, Joanne
awareness.
Ballady posted 3 hours ago. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a
It'll
comment
be
on
all the
her
things related to purpose.
post, just like that. Okay, I'm going to
These
close
are
it
the
once I'm
things
done.
related to
I'm going to go
personal
to the next
development.
person. I'm going to check out Mark Solomon. Did Mark Solomon post on LinkedIn? Chances are he did not. Now I'm going to go to the next one, Alexis Axelrod. Did she post on LinkedIn? And if I see she posted, I'll definitely drop a comment. I see she posted on LinkedIn. Don't want to miss that. That certainly didn't come up on my feed. And it didn't come up on my feed, not because I don't like her, not because I don't engage with her. It's because simply LinkedIn doesn't show you everything on the feed.
Different topics.
It only shows you
So I'm going to pick
things that
5
it thinks
topics
are
in personal
relevant to you.
development.
But I know what's relevant
5
to me.
topics in digital
I know who I want to
technology,
network
5
with.
topics in
I know who I want to
marketing.
build
So for digital
relationships
marketing,
with.
it's going to be SEO.
So I suggest
social media,
that you leave comments on the People That Matters posts by making sure that you have a list of people that matter on your posts. So 6 hours ago, Derek posted. I didn't know that Derek posted 6 hours ago because 6 hours ago I was doing a webinar about how to use Evi AI. But now I could be one of the first people that post on his profile, and you can see nobody else from our association posted except for me because I saved him to Evi AI, and I was able to see all of his recent posts. This helps me stay top of mind with my most important connections, my most important relationships, and it allows me to be able to build connections with people like never before. And so check out what I'm doing for these people. Check out the relationships that I'm building. And I'm doing all this in just minutes, not hours. For some people, in order for them to be able to drop this many comments and load this many posts, it would take them several hours. But I'm here for 4 minutes and 23 seconds, and I'm just getting started. So if you're not taking the right actions, reviewing people's posts, seeing what they're doing on a regular basis, building those relationships, liking those posts. You see, a year ago he posted here, And
Or
poor guy,
networking
nobody
tools,
left a
I would
comment
say.
for him. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a comment on his post, just like this. And LinkedIn just changed their user experience. And I don't mind that they changed their user experience because we're on top of the game. Some of the other tools out there, they completely lost access, but not us. We still have access, and
So
it
you
is
kind of break
working.
it down. You get yourself 5 topics.
Now I'm going to go to the next line. I'm going to check out Laura
go ahead
here.
and build this whole thing out. I'm going to go pick up my daughter now, but
And
let me know
I'm
what you
gonna
think
leave
about
some
this mind map solution.
Oh, I already
and
commented
then
on
we'll
this one.
continue building this out together.
I'm going to check on Howie
Thank you very
Schwartz.